this on Facebook. Did you know when you get heartburn, it's too late to take Prilosec? Because Prilosec is not intended for immediate relief, but it's never too late for Zantac.
He flew right onto my banana as I was eating it.
Zantac works differently. It relieves heartburn in as little as 30 minutes.
Flew right onto it. He's sitting on my shoulder. I'm eating a banana and he flies onto my banana. Where are you going now?
So when heartburn strikes,
get your feet off my banana. Jeez.
But on the way, my eagle-eyed wife spotted some four-legged colonists who made it there first.
Johnny, when we were coming to the island, I saw some goats up there. Where did they come from?
Yeah, some goats on the island. It's introduced from the village people. I understand. How would goats live on this? It's not down here to eat. Yeah, they like the Rocky Island. So see them. It does go down. Let's go.
Whee!
What first looked like a massive rock and sand. Actually, he had a beautiful pasture. This is beautiful. I never knew the grass was up here. The goats have